Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to send photos and videos on Messenger, plus how to customize them before you send. Messenger offers options to let people view your photo or video once, replay it, or keep it in the chat. I'll guide you through each step, so let's dive right in. Alright, first things first. Open your Messenger app. Select an existing chat or start a new one if you want to message someone new. Now, once you're in the chat, look for the camera icon at the bottom left. Tap on it to open up your camera. Here, you can choose between two options. You can either take a photo or video on the spot by tapping the circle at the bottom to take a photo, or holding it down to record a video. Or, if you already have a photo or video saved on your device, tap the image icon in the bottom left to select a photo or video from your gallery. Once you have your photo or video, you can get creative with it. Messenger lets you add text, draw on it, or even add a GIF to make it more fun or personalized. Now, before you hit send, let's go over the different ways you can share your photo or video. Look for the icon in the bottom left. Tapping this lets you choose options. First, there's View Once. This option lets the person or group you're sending to view your photo or video only one time. It's perfect for a quick, one-time share. And there's Keep in Chat. This option keeps a preview of your photo or video visible in the chat, so it won't disappear after being viewed. It's a great choice if you want the photo or video to stay in the conversation for reference. Once you've chosen your preferred option, all that's left to do is tap Send in the bottom right. And there you go. That's how you can send and customize photos and videos in Messenger chats with a few easy steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Messenger tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn on Messenger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.